Most women aren't attracted to perfect guys with perfect lives. In fact, perfection is kind of boring. So what's it then? Real attraction usually hides in unexpected places. Ever noticed how women smile when a guy plays fetch with his dog, or genuinely laugh when someone jokes about his terrible dance moves? Stick around because you're about to discover 5 weirdly attractive things women absolutely love. 1. Your unusual interests. Ever wondered if your quirky hobbies were hurting your dating game? The good news is, they're not. Actually, they're probably helping you. Believe it or not, women love seeing men passionate about things, even weird, nerdy, or totally random things. You collect vintage action figures? She loves that you're dedicated. You spend weekends coding your indie game? She sees determination and creativity. Your obsession with exotic plants might sound weird, but it's proof you have patience and care. Passion, if you come to think of it, shows that you're interesting, that you have depth. It gives you dimension beyond just looks or the usual status symbols. A man excitedly talking about his unusual hobby radiates a type of sincerity that's irresistibly attractive. Think about it. Would you rather date someone whose whole personality is watching TV, or someone who gets genuinely excited about their aquarium or comic collection? Exactly. 2. Kindness and manners. Now, kindness and manners might sound predictable, but please and thank you only. That won't do. You've got to show genuine, effortless decency in everyday life. We're talking simple things like being kind to a waiter when the order's wrong, letting someone merge in traffic, or holding the elevator door without expecting a medal for it. Why does kindness hit differently? Well, women subconsciously read your manners as signals of emotional intelligence. Basically, good manners tell her, hey, I understand how to handle people and situations without turning them into awkward disasters. Being polite shows maturity and confidence, 2 things that are high on the women's attraction checklist. Want to know something even better? It's really easy to practice. Next date, instead of bragging about your latest purchase, just show basic respect to everyone you meet. Trust me, she'll notice and appreciate it way more. 3. Being good with kids and animals. Women are subconsciously wired to pick up on nurturing traits. Even if she isn't thinking about marriage and kids, seeing you comfort a crying child sends powerful messages about your emotional capability and patience. Let me tell you about my friend. Great guy, smart and funny, but hopelessly awkward on dates. He thought he was cursed until one afternoon completely changed his luck. Josh and I were invited to a friend's backyard party. Pretty casual stuff. While everyone else was busy chatting or grilling burgers, Josh noticed our friend's little nephew sitting alone, sulking after losing his ball in the neighbor's yard. Without thinking twice, Josh walked over, crouched down to the kid's level, and asked him what was wrong. A minute later, there was Josh, climbing awkwardly over a fence, battling bushes, retrieving this kid's lost soccer ball. What Josh didn't notice, but I absolutely did, was how every woman at that party suddenly looked at him differently. The same goes for pets. Puppy magnet is a real term after all. Men who comfortably interact with animals appear instantly more trustworthy, empathetic, and caring. Not a dog person? That's fine. Cats, birds, rabbits, and even a friend's hamster work too. 4. Humor. You know humor is attractive, but did you realize women find self-deprecating humor especially charming? Yep, being able to laugh at yourself doesn't show weakness. When you joke about your own clumsiness or poke fun at your terrible cooking skills, it shows you're secure enough not to take yourself too seriously. And that's an extremely attractive trait because it puts her at ease. If you can laugh off mistakes, she subconsciously realizes you'll handle relationship bumps easily too. Contrast that with arrogance or defensiveness. When someone takes themselves way too seriously, it's exhausting, or at least that's what I find it to be most of the time. Women even more immediately will sense emotional rigidity and ego, both major turnoffs. Your ability to gently tease yourself, however, signals exactly the opposite. So next time you spill your drink or accidentally walk into a door frame, hey, we've all done it. Just laugh. Quick note though, don't overdo it. Self-deprecation should be light and playful, not constant insecurity. 5. Cooking skills. No one expects you to be Gordon Ramsay, but the ability to cook, even one solid dish, is unexpectedly attractive. Knowing how to whip up something delicious says, I've got my life together and can handle basic adult tasks. Cooking also creates opportunities for intimacy and bonding. Sharing food you made yourself is inherently romantic. It's an activity that invites closeness. Plus, women appreciate the gesture. It shows thoughtfulness without bragging. Afraid you're hopeless in the kitchen? Basic skills can be learned easily. Master just one dish, something simple yet tasty. Scrambled eggs, pancakes, or spaghetti carbonara can all become your secret weapons. And remember, microwave meals don't count. It needs to show real effort, even if minimal. Trust me, cooking just once or twice can significantly boost your appeal. It's the initiative, not the perfect execution. Do you notice a trend? Attraction is deeper than muscles, money, or a pretty face. If you've got a quirky hobby or a funny date story, share that. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, smash subscribe, and turn notifications on, because I've got a ton more content you won't want to miss. Catch you in the next one.